The best air fryers for 2019 comfort foods such as French fries and chicken tenders are only cooked perfectly when they're fried. These foods are delicious and crispy, yet it's a pain to deep fry them at home because of the potential splatter around your stovetop. Not to mention all of the calories you add when you fry foods in a pan of oil. But, you don't have to drench your ingredients in oil to get delicious, crunchy foods. An air fryer, when used correctly, can make your favorite fried foods with just a fraction of the calories. With an air fryer, you still get that crispy, golden exterior and the soft, fluffy center. However, we should stress that you shouldn't expect the exact same results as you would get using a deep fryer, as an air fryer does not actually fry your food. So, how exactly does an air fryer work? It cooks your food with electric heat that's circulated by powerful fans, and that hot air helps get the surface of the food dry and crispy while keeping the inside moist. Some air fryers include other features and functions. You might see an air fryer that also has a dehydrating function or a convection feature. For instance, with so many options to choose from, it can be tough to find the right air frying appliance for you. If you're looking to try an air fryer as a calorie-saving alternative to traditional frying, we rounded up the best air fryers on the market. If you're looking for the best convection ovens, you can check out our list of the best of those as well. Ninja Digital Air Fry Oven. The Ninja Foodie Air Fry Oven is small enough to sit in a nook on your countertop, and it flips up to store away even more inconspicuously. It also has air roast, air broil, bake, dehydrate, keep warm, toast up to 9 slices at a time, and bagel functions in addition to its air frying function. Features like the crumb release tray help you keep the oven clean, and a light comes on in the oven's interior at the end of the cooking cycle so you can see your food. The digital display and stainless exterior make this device feel high quality, and you get an included air frying tray and a non-stick sheet pan. Kasoori 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. One of the most annoying things about air fryers is that they tend to perform much better when cooking small portions than they do when cooking larger batches of ingredients. The Kasoori air fryer has a square-shaped non-stick basket, which is large enough to fit enough French fries for your family. The basket is also easy to clean and dishwasher safe, so you're not spending too much time on after-dinner cleanup. The included recipe book provides 100 different recipes to get you started, and you can also share recipes and ideas through the online community. You can expand your cooking horizons and cook even more food in your air fryer than you ever thought possible. This model boasts an array of user-friendly features like fast preheating, an LCD touch panel with presets, a shake reminder feature, and a keep warm function. Plus, considering what it offers, the price is very reasonable. Chefman Turbo Fry 2-Quart Air Fryer. This little Chefman air fryer accurately air fries your food at temperatures between 200 and 400 degrees. You set the temperature with a turn dial, and there's a 30-minute integrated timer. It's pretty hard to mess up your recipes in this device. This is a very, very small air fryer. It's designed for 1, maybe 2 people. But, its flat basket design maximizes its ingredient capacity. If you live alone or it's just you and one other person, this unit is a great find because it works well, yet it doesn't have all the frills, so it's super affordable. Plus, because it's so small, it's easy to tuck away in a cabinet. The basket is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This is also a great choice for those who want to try out air frying without spending too much dough. Philips Digital TurboStar Air Fryer. The Philips Digital TurboStar Air Fryer is a solid option for anyone looking to try air frying for the first time, or for seasoned air fryers. This foolproof air fryer is much more user-friendly than most models, thanks to its digital display, programmable timer, and intuitive interface. This appliance is also good at what it does. It cooks fried foods 50% more evenly than other brands. You'll likely experience some trial and error when cooking air-fried foods for the first time, but the 5 presets will help start you out on the right foot. The air fryer also comes with a recipe book and app that includes hundreds of recipes to choose from. If you want a more inexpensive option, Philips Viva Collection Analog Air Fryer is a solid option, but it has a different display, and fewer bells and whistles. Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Not a fan of digital displays and touchscreens? This air fryer keeps it old school in the best way and is perfect for those who prefer manual controls and a traditional vibe. The Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer is a simple option for those who just can't stand digital displays, touchscreens, and other modern contrivances. It has 1,800 watts of power for fast heating, and it is extremely quiet. The controls are easy to use and the 7 preset functions make this a versatile addition to your kitchen counter space. Whether you're frying some chicken, roasting a turkey, or cooking up some asparagus, this Cuisinart toaster oven and air fryer has you covered in one convenient package. GoWise Electric Air Fryer. Looking for a decent-sized air fryer without making a large dent in your wallet? This gadget might be for you. The GoWise electric air fryer delivers effective air frying for a lower price than most brands. For the price, this device air fries foods well. Accommodating a maximum of 3.7 quarts, it has a smaller capacity than most. The basket is removable and easy to clean, and the user-friendly touchscreen offers preset programs for your favorite recipes. Tfal Actifry Air Fryer. This device is perfect for those who are looking for that perfect French fry crisp without excess oil. The Tfal Actifry Air Fryer is a standout option that will air fry foods perfectly without breaking the bank. The most unique aspect of its design is a rotating arm that moves the food around inside the fryer while it's cooking, which ensures all sides get equal exposure to the hot air and equal crispiness. While some users may see this as a pro, others will find that the arm ends up mangling more delicate foods, such as fish. The secure lid guarantees you won't splatter oil everywhere, and the filter ensures your kitchen isn't left with odor for days. Plus, the ceramic-coated non-stick pan is removable and easy to clean. The relatively low price point and the efficacy of the appliance make it a great gift option.
You